How could this have happened? A black white supremacist.
Well, he was the only Negro we'd ever had around here. So we figured we'd make it easier on Clayton by just telling him and all the other blind kids that he was white.
And he never questioned it.
Why would he?
I noticed you referred to African Americans. What exactly is your problem?
How much time you got, buddy? Big butt having, wide nose breathing on the white man's air. They eat up all the chicken. They think they're the best dancers.
What if I were to tell you that you are an African American?
Sir, listen, I'm going to make this clear. I'm in no way, shape, or form involved in any niggerdom. You understand?
Glitter, 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 glitter. It ain't all glitter, glitter. You see diamonds in the picture. Yeah. I see a whole gang of hitters, but I see glitter, 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 glitter. It ain't all glitter, glitter. You see diamonds in the picture. Yeah. I see a whole gang of hitters. Hey, hey. Glitter, 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 glitter. It ain't all glitter, glitter. You see diamonds in the picture. Yeah. I see a whole gang of hitters, but I see glitter, 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 glitter. It ain't all glitter, glitter. You see diamonds in the picture. Yeah. I see a whole gang of hitters. Hey, hey.
This is Gary Anthony Williams with the Kanye Chronicles, and my dear friend, Uncle Ruckus, no relation. Look here, Kanye. When I saw you in that Oval Office with the greatest president anybody has ever seen, when I saw you hug him, bow down to him, tell him what a great white father figure he's been to you and how his MAGA hats gave you superhuman strength, I thought, man, there is a colored guy that I can finally respect. Bravo, Negro. Bravo for stepping and fetching and making America great again. Good colored. And this is Gary Anthony Williams with the Kanye Chronicles.